Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I have some new products to share with you. This stamp set and die is called More Messages, and the designer series paper I'm using is the Floral Impressions 12 by 12 DSP. So this is the stamp. This is the dies. So stamp once, die cut once, have a gazillion sentiments, and they're very nice and they're not arbitrary. They're actually really nice. And then this is the Floral Impressions 12 by 12 designer series paper. I'm running it through for you. It has some beautiful florals, some beautiful greens, just like a really colorful, lovely designer series paper that makes you happy for spring. I couldn't be happier to use this. Oh, that one's my favorite. Oh my gosh, that color combination, I just love. So I wanted to do a slimline card, and that is basically 8.5 inches long, or like wide, I should say, and then 7 inches tall, scored in the center at 3.5 to make your slimline card. You can look it up on Google. That's how I do it. I forget the measurements all the time, so I sometimes look it up. Anyway, when you have a colorful print like this, it always looks really good to have black as your mat. So I went and did that. I put some basic black cardstock and on the paper, and then I'm putting it on my slimline card. Now, you know what? I wanted to make a really long card, literally, because I couldn't fit all of the colors in there. So I ended up, well, first of all, I ended up stamping and die cutting. I did that off camera because we all know how to do that. So this is what I wanted to do. This is a brand new ink color called Strawberry Slush, and you may remember it from years ago too. It's a returning new ink color. And basically I took as you can see, I'm matting it with the Strawberry Slush. So that's how I would find a perfect mat for this. I don't want to, I mean, you probably could die cut the labels, a couple of times, but who has time for that? So this is how I'm going to do it. I just wanted it to stand proud and in front of the busy background. All right, so I put dimensionals on the back and I'm centering it the best I can. I didn't do very well centering my work surface. All right, this is a new ribbon. It's really similar to that iridescent ribbon. This one is called, I'm looking, gold striped ribbon. Gold striped, mesh ribbon. I'm not going to give you the supplies here because you can't get them until May 6th. So it's just really pretty. It ties a bow like a dream. And I was happy to use it on this card. I think it went really well. It's got a faint gold flavor to it. There's an iridescent one that's exactly the same, which I also like. So I fussy cut those flowers out of the remaining square of designer series paper that I had. So, and I'll tell you the colors here in this one. Let's see, we've got Crush Curry, Darling Duckling, Fresh Freesia, Garden Green, Misty Moonlight, Old Olive, Peach Pie, Pecan Pie, Pool Party, Pretty in Pink, and Strawberry Slush. So what is that brown? Misty Moonlight. That blue is Misty Moonlight, I guess. Beautiful colors. Anyway, I fussy cut them out because I wanted to use them. I didn't want to waste any of this paper, so I'm sticking it around the sentiment. And then, I made a New Year's resolution about this, and I thought I was going to do it, but I never got around to it. But I always have always wanted to decorate the inside of my cards, and I forget all the time. Like, I just forget. I'm so enthralled in making the front that I barely go and do the inside. So that's what I'm doing here. I took the time to cut these all out. I stuck them all on a glue dot sheet. That's what I'm using here. And that's oftentimes what I do is if I have a lot of little fidgety things, I'll use a glue dot to and adhere them all to the glue dot line, and then I'm able to place them as I need. So, you know, you guys, I'm not going to do my normal spiel about seeing the supplies because you can't. If you are a customer of mine, you will have gotten, or you're getting a catalog on its way. And these embellishments are called Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink Gems. Really pretty. So anyway, what I am going to do is I'm just going to thank you for spending time with me today, and thank you for the comments you leave. If you don't see your comments show up right away, it will, I promise, especially if it's positive. And I do want to thank you for all the thumbs up and all the YouTubey things. And I want to remind you, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.